surgeons, elite masterminds, what's going on. This is Diamond Life. So I'm doing a before and after for oil. Okay. The market has not opened yet for oil. Okay. It opens up in about 30 seconds or so. So here's the deal. What I see happening is, let me screenshot this so I can draw on here. What I see happening is right now I'm looking for prices here. Okay. What I'm looking for is a break of structure up. Okay. My target is what has to happen based on the way I trade and based on the way I'm doing this. What has to happen is price has to come up to here. Okay. I don't have the price points on my chart right now, but price has to come up to there. Okay. So my TP1, based on the way I have this set up, is TP1 is going to be here, and TP2 is either going to be this green line or the green and the orange line right here, because you got two lines. Okay. So let me explain to you what I'm looking for. So right now, price has broken this low right here. So market is still bearish unless we can get price to close above here, especially on a 15-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart you're looking at now. Okay. Just showcasing my strategies and my talent with this. So basically, I'm going to wait until I see a break of structure up. We already had a change of character. How did they do it? CHO? Change of character. I think this is how they do it. This may be the right acronym. This is the ICT stuff, but most people. So we had that right here because this low was taken. So this high up here became important. Then it closed above it right there. So we already had an indication that it's coming up higher. Okay. So this is what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting for price to continue to keep dropping. Probably come up here and do something like this. Wait for price to keep dropping. And then what's going to happen is price is going to come back up. Okay. Once this happens right here, once this high up here, this lower high, once that's broken, that's when I'll be entering a buy. Okay. I don't know if that was confusing, but let me explain it again. I'm going to use a different color. What I'm saying is price, I see right now, based on what I'm saying, price is going to keep dropping, right? So these highs become important. Unless these highs are closed above, especially on the 15-minute chart, the structure is still bearish. I have confirmation that price has to come up, not has to come up here, but the probability is extremely high that it's going to come up to here. Okay, TP1 and TP2, either the green line or the orange and green line together. Okay, because this is precision trading the way I have this set up. So my confirmation that I'm looking for buys is when this level was hit right here and when this level was hit right here and right here. Okay, so I have a green dotted line here. I have an orange dotted line here and an orange dotted line here. Okay, and these corresponding orange line here and green solid line here, these are corresponding lines where price, the probability of price coming back up to those levels is extremely high. Okay. These levels I just pointed out is based on years and years of back testing. Okay. So what I'm waiting on is for this high to be closed above as it continues to push down and make lower highs. Once this happens right here, let me show you. Once this high right here is taken, it's closed above by this high here, I'm going to get in for a buy. Okay. And I'm going to hold that buy all the way up. I'm going to hold this buy all the way up to here, TP1, and here, TP2. Okay. Now, it's not going to go in a straight line. Okay. But this is what I'm looking for. Now, price may actually continue to push down a little bit more, possibly, even though I have this breaker structure here. But this is the target. So this is the before video. I'll shoot the after. Thanks for watching.